Avengers!
Hey, Sawyer. Slow as ever, I see. Race you to the headquarters.
I think I need to start working out. Huh? What's that? I wonder what this is. Ah! Oh! Fuel! Let's fill me up! Woohoo! Hey, you Blaze!
Whoa!
Took care of that fire for you, Blaze. See ya!
Whoa! Hey, slow coach. Catch me if you can.
Not this time. The fuel didn't work against Sheriff. What if I drank the whole thing? Let's go! No one can stop me now! Let's see you catch the thief, Sheriff!
Huh? See ya! Giving up already?
Just a sip, and I'll show Sheriff who's the fastest road ranger.
Looks like the magic pool has dried up, hasn't it? Always remember, Sawyer, greed isn't a virtue. It always outreaches itself. If you hadn't been greedy to be the fastest, the pool might have lasted longer, and you wouldn't have been the fastest, but you would have been faster than before. Wasn't that good enough?
Yeah, it was. I've been so silly, Blaze. Guess I'll have to get back to training hard.